Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a beautiful Versace bag to show you today. So this is the Versace La Medusa. You can see it's got that Medusa plaque on the front. And it's like a piece of art, this one. The structured shape is beautiful, and this colour, this green is really, really nice as well. So I'll talk you through the features. So we've got one top handle here, and then of course we've got that Medusa plaque on that flap closure. And then that is a press stud fasten underneath that flap closure. And then inside, we've got one zipped pocket at the back, and then on the opposite side, we've got two flap pockets here and here. And then you can see we've also got little loops on either side, and those two are attached, the removable straps, which I'll show you in a minute. The condition of this one, we have called the exterior very, very good. I'll show you, like, those corners are in beautiful condition. The shape is still gorgeous. There is literally just a tiny, tiny mark, and I think it's just on the back here. I'll try and get it so you can see. Just here, it's literally discoloured a tiny bit. It's the tiniest tiny marks. I'm being really picky. Other than that, the exterior is in beautiful condition, as is the hardware, which we have called very good. There's just a few marks on that hardware, but it's all that lovely shiny gold still. And the interior is excellent. There's nothing for me to point out on the interior. It's just beautiful in there, in very, very beautiful condition. While you're here, don't forget to like this video, and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got two removable straps. So one is removable and also adjustable, and I'll show you that on the bag when I show you the size. And we've got another removable strap, which is a super cool kind of chunky chain link strap, which again I'll show you when I show you the size. And we've also got little Versace envelope, and in there we've got a few little bits. So we've got the care card. Oh, sorry, that's the care card, just there. And then the RFID card. And then we've also got a little product tag as well. And then of course we've got Versace dust bag coming with it too. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, this is a size medium, but if you wanted any exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Versace. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, what you can do, that means it has sold, but what you can do is you can get on our request list. So the request list is for all sorts of bags, so Mulberry, Versace, Gucci, whatever it is you have in mind. You can let us know, and we'll pop you on the request list, and then as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll let you know. So if that is this bag, don't forget to get on our request list so that you don't miss out next time we get one in. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So if there's any help, the size UK 10 and 5'4", and we've got a few options with this bag. So you can have it just handheld by that top handle there, which is really sweet, or you can also have it with this really cool kind of chunky chain link strap. So just pop that on either end, just like that, if it will go through. There we go. And on the other side as well. I'll pop that on there. And then that strap means it can just sit really nicely on your shoulder like that as well, and it adds a nice feature to the bag. I think this chain link strap is really cool. Or if you wanted another option, you can also pop on the adjustable strap. So this is a leather strap, and I'll show you how you pop this on. So it just goes through there like that, and then you can pop it through that little, the stud goes through that little hole there, so just like that. There we go. And then you do the same on the other side. Just pop that through there, and then that just presses through that little hole there. And then you have a nice crossbody strap as well. So if you wanted it for a bit more of an on-the-go look, then that's a really nice option as well. Have a look on our website while you're here. Don't forget to go to the link in the description below for more details on this bag. Don't forget to have a browse through all of our beautiful bags, purses and wallets that we have, and sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you have the How to Sell with Us page, so you can have a look on there if you've got any bags in mind that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co. All the details you need to know are on that page, so have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.